one of the core principles as I was working through prototypes for this particular lamp was that I really wanted to be able to ship it, but I also wanted people to be able to feel like, they could move it around and take it with them. So a big part of the engineering work and the design work that went into this particular lamp had to do with like, how do I make it where it's structurally sound, is not overly fragile, but also that you can take it apart and put it back together again. And so, the main mast and the legs go together around a sort of central triangle, and there's slots in the legs that slot right into that triangle, and you can put the whole thing together in 5 minutes with four bolts and an Allen key. So it's very easy to kind of break it down into some component pieces and then put it back together again. So there's no worry about like, well, I have this lamp and I'm gonna have to not be able to take it with me if I need to move.